Facebook fan page. Tips and tricks using Facebook ads to grow your Facebook page fans. One of the easiest ways to increase your Facebook likes is through the use of Facebook ads, which allow you to target specific demographics, which means it will allow you to bring the traffic you desire to your page. Do not confuse Facebook ads with Google ads, because they are not the same. Google ads will show up when a person actively searches. Facebook ads don't work that way. A Facebook ad shows up when a person is browsing their news feed, so they likely don't have any intent to purchase from you at that time. That means you must offer incentives to drive clicks on the Facebook ad using one of the three methods: coupons, contests, or ebooks. These Facebook ads let you target those who haven't already liked your page. You can even include a like button right on your ad. You can use the basic format like us to insert what they'll receive. You can drive likes based on the incentive. Here are a few you can use. Number 1. Like us and get your free guide to growing your Facebook business. Number 2. Like us to get an exclusive 20% off coupon. Number 3. Like us to win a $200 marketing consultation. Number 4. Like us and enter to win a trip to Vegas. Draw every 3 months. Facebook ads are also much more affordable than Google ads. That means even if you have a very low budget, you can take advantage of Facebook ads. If you want to know more about using Facebook ads and how to set up your Facebook ad campaign, Facebook has an in-depth section on how to set up your campaign, so you shouldn't have too much trouble. Your goal with your Facebook page is to grow your likes and your fan base. To do that, you need to take advantage of the many tools that can help you to create a powerful Facebook ad. Facebook ads are still one of the most misunderstood opportunities to grow your Facebook page and increase your targeted traffic and your likes. The rest is up to you. With the use of strong posts that engage in your followers, you can increase your reach further and continue to grow your page. Tips to create Facebook posts that are engaging. If you want to grow your fan base and increase your likes, you are going to need to have posts to your page that are interesting and keep your visitors wanting to return. Here are 5 tips to create Facebook posts that are engaging. Number 1. Use copy, images, and videos that are engaging. Photos and videos that are media rich will get attention and they will help your message be more noticeable on a news feed. Lifestyle and inspirational images are always engaging. Smart page owners are quick to take advantage of these images because they understand they do not have to be relevant to the product/service you offer to be relevant to your fans. These fans will then share these posts with their friends, and that provides you with more reach and another opportunity to grow your likes. Share images/photos of your products with your customers enjoying them. The best posts are between 100 and 250 characters. Short and to the point gets the most attention. Number 2. Share and promote discounts and promotions that are exclusive. Offer your visitors a really good perk or deal to keep them interested. You can increase your sales and increase your followers with this technique. Buy one get one free seems to be a very popular promotion, and so is when you are giving things away for free. To increase your visitors' engagement, make sure that you have a clear call to action. Number 3. Suitability and timeliness. When your posts are related to what they are thinking about at the time, such as holidays or a current sporting event, your audience is much more likely to engage. Timeliness in replying to any posts that have a comment on them is also important. The faster you are to replying to your fans, the more likely that they will continue to engage you. Number 4. Drive traffic to your website with links. Link posts have an area that's larger now, and it helps people to find your website, thereby increasing your traffic. Use link posts to drive people to your website. Link posts now have a larger clickable area that helps drive people to your website. Take the title, image and description, which comes from the URL, and customize it. Put these 4 tips into play and watch your fans grow. So, thank you for watching in this video, and please like, comment and share this video and subscribe our digital technology channel for more updates. Thank you friends.